Every time I'm in the street, I hear man down. Where you from?
Yo, what's good, YouTube? It's your boy, One Killer Scat, back at it again with another video. And since y'all on YouTube, y'all already know it's Red Key TV. But hey, I have upgraded a lot since the last time y'all seen me. We have moved back home to Texas. I have bought a house. And so I relocated my family. This was a big deal for me. So the car was very second nature until we got this done. How to get the kids settled, get the house settled. So we're here in Texas, and Coco is behind me, as y'all can see. And I have done some upgrades since the last time y'all really seen me. Y'all seen some videos of some of my faithful people, me in Texas, but now we have bought a house. So without further ado, that box right there, that's an Alpha Rex, the quad headlights that we're going to be installing. So this is going to be an unboxing, telling you about my whole experience, the quality and everything outlined. And in my next video, we'll go ahead and get these put on the car. But let's get it. All right, guys. I am so excited that these lights have came in today. We're going to go ahead. This is a real official unboxing. This is my first time getting to actually see these things in person. I've seen them online a lot, and I've wanted them. A lot of people don't want to spend the money for these lights, and I can understand why, because these were not cheap at all, but I'm excited to have them. So let's see. So far, from what I've seen, quality is great. I love the advertisement of the box. Has the QR codes and everything on the side. Let's take one of these bad boys out, see how they packaged it. Ooh, come here. Come here, little mama. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Yeah, Alpha Rex, and then they put the light on the other side. Up here, it tell you which series you got. I know y'all like, man, open the box. Got the Nova series, which is the quad. The Lux series, which is the dual. And I don't know what the Pro series is. I only know these two because I wanted to know what's the difference. And the Nova series is the 4 lights. And the Lux is the dual, the 2. So, and the Luxes, they're actually not a bad price. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this tape. These only took me, today's the 19th. I got these on the, I ordered these on the 9th of May. So 10 days before I officially got them. All right, here goes some of the components. I'm pretty sure that's the controller to my Demon Eyes, because I got the Demon Eyes installed on this one. So I'm sure those are the controllers to it. And then I have I got a Blue Ghost controller for it as well, so I could do the all of the crazy stuff. So I got a Blue Ghost and then the Demon Eyes. All right, let's not drop this light. She's packaged really well. There go that Blue Ghost right there, also packaged up quite nicely. And then here goes the light. And at first glimpse, oh my goodness, this thing is beautiful. I know they say on their site it's nothing like the first rip of the plastic, so. Woo! Oh yeah. Coco's gonna love this upgrade. I bought these because of the light output quality. I have the LED lights that actually come on there on the new 2023s, the last calls, and it has great light quality. But they said that this is even better than that. So I wanted the upgraded light quality first, and then I wanted all the extra because I had contemplated just buying them regular, and then you know me, I can break them apart myself. But I was like, why go through all of that? Just have them do it the first time, and everything's underneath warranty. So, as first look, oh, she's a beauty. Good connectors on the back. I have to see. I'm sure everything's labeled to where how it goes. So we'll be taking a look at that. And then I'll be reading instructions to figure out exactly how to wire these things up in my next video. We'll be putting them on. I got family coming in. So once the family's gone and everything down that line, we're going to get these broken apart and put on the car. I got other little goodies that are already here. So stay tuned for more videos because I promise you, I'm going to continue doing stuff on YouTube. I know it's been a long time, but I'm happy to be back. Happy to do some mods. We're going to build this just like we built the Hellcat. We're going to build this Scat Pack up, and then eventually, y'all will get to see me actually do some more engine mods on this one. That'll be a long time coming. We're going to build the car first, cosmetically, and then we'll build the engine. Let's get it. I did want to go ahead and open up the second box. We do got some the installation guide here, QR code. I guess they can give you the whole breakdown of how to install it. You do get some stickers that you can place different ways so you can wrap your lights. And then we have some different connectors that I haven't seen before. Y'all know me, I put in lights, and I was an electrician in the Navy. So watching the guide, I'll be able to put this in myself and build a video. Here goes the second light. And then some of the other things that I wanted to show you was this. These are the connectors for the upgraded housing to make them work correctly. If you have the LED lights, you need these connectors. I've heard some people say, oh, we just threw them in. I'm not finna mess with anything on the wiring of this car. If they sell an extra connector that's supposed to be there for $65 or so, I think it is, give me the connectors, plug it up right the first time. You don't want to find out that you spent $2,700 on some lights and then cheaped out on the last $65, and now your car is messing up where your lights done burn out. So these connectors, we got those. Yeah, I got some more. I got more splitters and different things. So I got to figure out exactly what it is from the actual wiring diagram that they have to put these all the way in. Like I said, I'll put them in later. I'm probably not going to do a test run right now just because I'm getting ready to go to work in just a little bit. But I wanted to shoot this video before that and basically say, man, it's good to be back. I hope that y'all tune into the channel. Hit me up in the comments. Hit me up on Instagram at 1 Killer Scat. Hit me in the comments. I'm going to try to get better at replying to my comments, especially if it's about the car videos and stuff down that line, man. Until next time, I'm out.
Every time I'm in the street, I hear man down. Where you from? Perfect.